Look at stock ticker symbol QSIM. This stock right now is currently traded at 0089. Looks like the last time that we went through this one, I thought it was actually sooner than that. Looking over here just to verify that. I will here in a second once Joe takes over after I'm done looking at the chart for now. With that being said, though, it looks like that is going to be the date for sure. Okay. All right. So I said too much selling with the stock, too risky in my opinion. That is what I said on the 13th. I mean, I don't like to butter up anything. You guys know the deal. I tell you how I see it. It just never had a chance. I mean, every time it tried to move, it just kept getting pounded down, pounded down, pounded down. But now it's starting to finally, break that after, hearing so much about it. And finally the volume comes back and guess what? Selling returns. Well, I am going to watch for this level to hold though. Okay. At 0075 because right now this chart is set up in my opinion for a move. It will all come down to strictly the selling to stop and the buying to pick up. All right, because every time that the buying picks up, it just gets whacked down with selling. I mean, I've seen that over and over and over with this stock. That's why I haven't even went over it that much. I try to go over as many as we can. We get requested, but when I go through charts myself, I end up looking at it and just kind of keep going because it's selling. I mean, how many times I got to say the selling needs a slow. So we're not going to pay attention to that right this second. What we're going to be watching for right now is 0075 to pick up, the buying to pick up. And 0075 to hold, rather. The buying to pick up, selling to slow. I really can't get more blunt than that. The chart is literally one tick away from being on alert. But when you get selling involved, it changes that story. But I'm still going to watch this thing. I really do. I think that it might get a good pop out of it. So I will add this and hand over the mic to Joe.
All right. So there hasn't been any recent press releases on it. The last one was on October 17th, 2016. That was QuantumSphere Incorporated engages U.S. capital partners for $4 million growth equity funding. So that pretty much probably explains what you're seeing there. But then they did their quarterly on which day was this? So they filed their quarterly on the 21st of February. So I just pulled that up really quick, and I mean, it's a bunch of different pages. I don't know what's going on with the company in general. What I do know is the cash that they had from June 30th was 180,805, and now so over here it's showing zero. So I don't know where the money went. Obviously, there's 40-something pages over here, so if you want to read that. Also, what I'm seeing is the 6 months ended in December 31st. So the 3 month is what's catching my attention. So the 3 month ended December 31st. So in 2015, net sales were at $21,115. And now for the 3 months, it was $1,970. So that's that. I mean, there's a lot of different things you'd obviously want to go and look through over on this thing. So if you're interested in the company, just type in the QSIM, go right over to that board over there, the QuantumSphere board. And from there, you can look at the company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it on the message board with the tens of thousands of like-minded daily investors or, potential investors that are using the site daily.
All right, 0086. Watch for selling to stop and buying to pick up, right? It's common sense. I mean, if you see selling, slow down buying normally does pick up. But either way, like I said, chart set up for a big move if buying comes in. Support at 0075 must hold. Resistance at 0109, 0220. If you're watching this video helped you in any way, I definitely encourage you to hit that subscribe button and that like button. We definitely appreciate it. If there's another stock besides QSIM that you're watching, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know there. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to our list of videos.